Have you ever wondered about the inner workings of your brain? Let's talk about myelin, a fundamental part of your brain's network that could be under threat. The myelin sheath plays a crucial role in how your brain communicates. You can think of the myelin sheath as a sort of insulation for the brain's wiring, helping signals move quickly and without interruption. However, when myelin wears down, it's like encountering obstacles that weren't there before, which can disrupt your thinking and feelings. The topic of myelin isn't entirely positive, but getting to know about it can provide insights into how it influences both your mind and body. This isn't solely about boosting your brain function. It's about grasping the challenges linked to myelin damage and its impact on your day-to-day life. Let's delve into how myelin contributes significantly to your overall health and well-being. Introduction to myelin. Myelin acts like insulation for the wiring in your home, ensuring that brain signals move quickly and accurately. It covers most nerves in your brain, guiding your thoughts and physical actions. Think about how it feels when your brain seems to slow down, when it gets harder to think clearly, remember details, or move smoothly. Research has shown that myelin plays a key role in keeping our brains working at their best. So, keeping myelin healthy is essential for clear thinking, good memory, and fluid movement. On the flip side, when myelin is not healthy, it can lead to a lot of problems. This can mean anything from severe headaches to nerve pain that makes daily life challenging. Diseases like multiple sclerosis, which results from myelin damage, can cause symptoms like muscle weakness, trouble with vision, and even paralysis, highlighting why it's so important to keep myelin in good shape. Understanding myelin, the key to fast and effective thinking. Myelin, which is really just a fatty layer that wraps around your neurons, this helps streamline your thought processes in a way that's hard to match. Think of it as essential insulation for your brain, ensuring your thoughts move swiftly and smoothly. When your myelin is healthy, your brain operates seamlessly. Your thinking is sharp, your reactions are quick, and your reflexes are on point. Solid research supports this, showing that individuals with healthy myelin function are better than those with compromised myelin health. Picture your brain's messages traveling swiftly down a highway. Effects of demyelination. When myelin breaks down, think of it as your brain's paths getting blocked with obstacles. Your thinking slows, it becomes harder to focus, remember things, or control your movements and emotions. This breakdown is called demyelination, and it's behind serious health issues like multiple sclerosis, depression, and Alzheimer's disease. These are real challenges people face with symptoms like severe headaches, sharp nerve pain, and difficulty moving. This explains clearly why taking care of your myelin is so important. Promoting myelin regeneration. Role of oligodendrocytes and Schwann cells in myelination. Oligodendrocytes and Schwann cells are super important in a process called myelination. Myelination is when they make the myelin sheath around nerve fibers in our nervous system. Oligodendrocyte cells hang out mostly in the central nervous system, like our brain and spinal cord. They make myelin for lots of nerve fibers at once, helping messages travel really fast between our brain and spinal cord. Schwann cells are found mainly in the peripheral nervous system, which includes the nerves outside the brain and spinal cord. Each Schwann cell wraps around just one nerve fiber, creating a single bit of myelin sheath. Schwann cells also help fix damaged nerves and give support to axons, the long parts of nerve cells. So both oligodendrocytes and Schwann cells are like the workers that build the myelin sheath around our nerve fibers. This covering helps messages zip along quickly, making sure our senses, movements, and thinking all work smoothly. Luckily, our bodies can fix damaged myelin with oligodendrocyte cells, working tirelessly to mend myelin health. But to kickstart this repair, specific lifestyle tweaks are crucial. Here's a rapid-fire guide to bolstering myelin repair. 1. Omega-3s are your best friends. Load up on omega-3s by eating more salmon, mackerel, and sardines. 2. Move your body. Regular exercise isn't just good for your muscles. It pumps up growth factors vital for myelin repair. 3. Sleep is non-negotiable. A good night's sleep is a cornerstone of brain health, crucial for myelin repair. 4. Cut the stress. Techniques like mindfulness, yoga, or Tai Chi Qigong are your shields against stress wrecking your myelin. 5. Ditch the bad stuff. Stay away from toxins like cigarette smoke that are enemies of myelin repair. Acting now on these steps isn't just recommended, it's essential for keeping your myelin in fighting shape and your brain functions sharp. Nurturing your myelin isn't just a good idea, it's a necessity for accessing your brain's full potential. Picture myelin as your brain's lifeline. If you ignore its well-being, you're not only putting your mental health at risk, but also jeopardizing your brain's peak performance. Damaged myelin can wreak havoc on your nervous system, distorting both your mind and body's functions. Think beyond simple brain fog. Imagine living with hindered movement, sudden numbness, or relentless pain. The issue extends beyond sharp thinking. It's a fight for your overall health and life quality. Safeguarding your myelin integrity does more than enhance mental tasks. It's also about preserving the very core of your daily life.